Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, it is audible? Yeah. Today, up to end of the class, concentrate. Very, 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 very important. Ronam, how it is working. Today, we are telling more clearly, step by step, in a practically everyone understandable. Any books we are referring is those type of things they are not explaining, only just theory they are writing. Otherwise, PLSQL algorithm through they are telling that is not good. That's why I'm designing a tables on how it is working more clearly, algorithm based. Easily, I'm telling one. Once you are good at what a row num, why it is not working, is equal to 2, is equal to 3, is equal to 5, you have an idea. Then row num works with the all operator, means alias name we are creating from row num in a inline use. Then row num works with the all SQL operator. In that case, any type of row also we are. Those are general concepts in a Oracle project side. That's why these are most powerful concepts. Now check it out. Yesterday, top and analysis through we are introduction point. I'm telling what I'm telling. Oh, maybe select the statement is there. This is select the star from EMP is a table is there. Yesterday I'm telling in this table, slowly observe here. First 5 rows I want to display means select the star from EMP where row num is less than or equal to 5. I'm telling okay, fine. Now I don't want to display first 5 rows. I want to display first 5 highest salary employee, means how can I just we are writing a what, how can I order by clause we are writing in yesterday, order by salary DSC I am writing like this. But unfortunately this one it does not return top and analysis query. It does not return first 5 highest salary employees. Why? Because whenever we are using a what, a row num and order by clause in a same query, first row num is executed first. Then only now here second order by clause is executed. There is a drawback. That's why first 5 rows it will be retrieved Smith, Allen, Ward, Martin, Jones only. In these 5 rows only highest to lowest is displayed. That is the biggest drawback. Whenever you are writing a normal queries like this, a wrong output, it will be displayed. Observe here. Smith, Allen, Ward, Martin, Jones. These are first 5 employees. These employees only highest salaries to lowest salary. I don't want like this. Millions of records are available also, lakhs of records are available also. In that one, yes, I want to display first 5 highest salary employees. Means how can I am telling a what in a previous class, anybody attending last concept means just I am telling select star from EMP where row num is less than or equal to 5. Now, yes, here first 5 rows this one, but unfortunately here I want to display first 5 highest salary employees. First we are sorting a data in a descending order, but unfortunately that one order by clause we are trying to write in a where in a child query impossible. There's a problem. Why? Because of parent query having their own order. That's why we cannot use order by clause in a child query. Yesterday I'm telling. Yes, but how we are writing a what those type of things I want to arrange the data first in a where descending order. Then only we are restricting me. Simple technique is there. Just in a parent query only we are rearrange the data. But in a parent query where we are rearrange the data in place of table name, just we are writing a what? Yes, your subquery. That is called inline view. Here rearrange the data means select the star from EMP order by salary DSC. I am telling only descending order. First, we are arrange the data in a descending order because in every database, first from clause only executed, then only where clause, then only group by, then only having clause, then only select, then only order by clause. You have an idea or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, distinct in a previous classes. I'm telling you, now here. That's why from clause first is executed. That's why here this is executed order by salary DSC first. Then only that sorting data descending order. Then we are restricting the rows by using a row num. This is called a top and analysis query. In this query side, first 5 highest salary employees, it will be displayed. Observe it here. Yes, so first 5 highest salary employees, it will display King, Scott, Ford, Jones, Blake only. Up to this one yesterday we are discussing. But unfortunately, this one old and style only. Nowadays style is different actually, but row num purpose only we are starting that one. Actually, Tolosia onwards fetch first clauses are there, but before that one in a olden days, this is the way they are writing the queries olden days project side. But unfortunately, this is just observe it here. This in place of table name, we are writing a what query only subquery that is called inline view. Inline view. Inline view is there plus now not only that one inline view plus hello, 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 hello. Now it is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Why? Because power is gone. Now here, yes, another one. And now here, yes, whenever we are using this one, first this one sorting the data, then only a row num is executed. That's why correct output it will display. That is called top n analysis. In a top n analysis queries means 2 concepts I am telling in a way. In a previous classes, one is inline view, okay. Inline view means in place of table name, we are using a what subquery. In that case, order by clause is required. Yes, in this query side, topper analysis, there only we are restricting the rows by using a what a row num. Up to this one, we are discussing only. Okay, na? Yes, here already have an idea. And now this is the way yesterday we are discussing a what. So now these concepts only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now today, now slowly observe here. Very interesting. So many things are there. Suppose, for example, these are the first 5 highest salary employees. Okay, fine. Yes, you are absolute here. This is a query is there. In this query, first 5 highest salary employees. But I don't want like this. I want to display fifth highest salary employee. This is a fifth highest salary employee I want. How can I? Actually, in a future, analytical functions are there, rank, dense rank, so many things are there. In a future, correlated subqueries are there. Those things only they are preferring in a very interview side and project side. Why they are not preferring a what? A today method means that is, so now here, yes, whenever duplicate data is there, wrong outputs. And also performance very low. That's why in a future, nth age salary employee, fifth age salary employee, second age salary employee means some other concepts are there. Don't worry. But just idea purpose, I am telling only this is not good method. Also, just some other concept idea purpose I am telling. Suppose here this is I want to display fifth highest salary employee. This details I want means just one technique is there. What is that one means? Observe it here. Observe it here. First, we have to find out what those four rows only, five highest salary employees. First, we have to find out five highest salary employees. From these first five highest salary employees, remove what? Four highest salary employees. Then automatically, this fifth row, it will be retrieved or not. First, we have to find out five highest salary employees. Then remove this here first four only from this five. Then automatically fifth one is stay in existence or not. How we are removing a what? A previous rows means in a future, some other set operators is a concept is there. I will tell you. Union all, intersect, minus some operator is there. One of the relational operator minus is there in that set operators chapter side we are learning only. Same like a mathematics only. Suppose set A minus set B means the values are available in a first set, those values are not available in a second set is there or not. Same like here in a mathematics, how minus, union, okay, minus, intersect, some operators are there. Same like databases also in a feature, set operators is a separate chapter is there. In that one, I will tell you. Yes, here minus is a one of the operators there. Through that one, we are suppressing a what previous rows on. Just here, how can I? This is a what? Yes, five highest salary employees. Now I want to retrieve fifth highest salary employee means these are highest salary employees minus. I want to suppress what? Five highest salary employees are there minus four. Four means again these. Okay, so now here whatever yesterday you are writing a query, same query you are writing only, and now here less than or equal to 4, then automatically 50 is there. But this is not a good method actually. So now here Blake, it will be displayed or not? Yes, fifth highest salary employee. And now this is not a good method, just a minus operator idea purpose only I am telling only. Okay. First write it. Write it, some query, write it. In a future we are learning minus some other concepts only. Okay. Write it. Write a query. Write a query to display fifth highest salary employee from EMP table. Write a query to display fifth highest salary employee from EMP table. Minus means suppressing a what previous rows. Just you have to remember it. Later you are familiar with this one. Write it this query. Five rows minus four rows. Then automatically previous rows we are suppressing. No? Fifth row is available. In intro asking means don't try to write about this query. Another queries are there in a feature. Dense rank side, correlated, that is original. But just minus operator something is there, previous data erasing purpose, just my interest purpose I am telling. One entry question is there, display last two rows, something only, that purpose only minus we are starting. Okay. Yeah. Observe here. Now concentrate. Finished. Here nothing is there. 5 rows are there. Okay, fine. You want this fifth row means just first we have to find out 5 rows. Then suppress these 4 rows. Previous rows we are suppressing means minus is operator is there. In a future we are learning a minus. How it is working? What is that one? Set operators chapter is there. Okay, now based on this technique, minus technique only, now that is not a good technique also, just idea purpose I'm telling. Actually, yesterday, second row, I want to display me second row, normal row, not a top and second row means how can I select star from EMP where row num is equal to 2 means it won't work. Why it is not working means today I will tell you. Now, if you want to work with that second row means simple technique is there, minus operator through means first we have to find out first 2 rows by using less than or equal to operator. Then 2 rows we are find out means then we are suppress what previous row, then automatically second row is available or not. That is a technique. That technique we are using in a minus. That is not a good technique today or tomorrow. Row num alias name through we are using any row also here. That is easy. But just practice purpose, write it minus practice purpose in a future. Another query, write it normal query. Write a query to display second row, normal row, okay. Second row from EMP table. Write a query to display second row from EMP table. Write a query to display second row from EMP table. How can I mean screen observe it, second row, normal row. Now here check it out. This is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. In this table, whatever second row is in a future, very easy, second row, fifth row, seventh row, anything also easy, row num alias name through. But first today, now here, yes. This is second row, I want to retro. Then I am also, you are also thinking normally select the star from EMP where row num is equal to 2 means it won't work. Why it is not working means today I will tell you, don't worry. No rows selected. Basically, row num is a magic column that works based on algorithm. Okay. Now here check it out. Yes, I don't want no rows selected only. Just I want second row means simple technique is there. One technique, just developer technique. In a future, row num alias name through original one, but it's a technique. First, we have to find out less than or equal to means working or not. Yes, working. Less than or equal to working. Why it is working also today I am telling. And now here 2 rows, first 2 rows it will be retrieved. Observe here first 2 rows. In these 2 rows, we are suppressing a what? Previous row. So now here a previous row, this one, first row I want to suppress, then automatically second row is available or not? Yes. In these rows, first we have to find out the 2 rows, then suppressing a previous rows means minus is an operator is there, set operator actually. minus minus is there. Now here previous row, we are suppressing means select the star from EMP where row num is less than or equal to 1. Otherwise, is equal to 1. Anything also possible or not? Just we are using a what? Is equal to 1 also working. Less than or equal to 1 also working. Now here check it out automatically second row. Yes, here ln it will be displayed or not? Yes, here this technique, write it. Normal row, that one just practice purpose. But unfortunately, interviewer never asked minus operator through the second row, fifth row, like this only. Now and also second salary, and salary, nobody asking. But one question they are asking only that purpose minus operator. I'm telling. What is that question means? You are only writing. Yes, that question why interviewer asking I want through minus operator means logically you are good or not, check it out purpose maybe. Generalized way you are right in the query or not, check it out purpose. That query interviewer asking. In a FAQs you are observing also that query is there. That purpose only. These two queries, first small thing I am telling. What is the beautiful entry question means? Entry question. Entry question. These are all queries only, but entry questions are there, some entry questions. What is the question means? This is a table is there. Observe here. Intelligent question this one. In this EMP table, last, not a first, last two rows they're asking. Observe it here. By using minus operator and row num, they're asking. Once you are writing that one, again another method is there in a feature, row ID. Row ID is the most powerful. That is the highest performance than the row num only they're asking. That purpose only, this is popular entry question. I want to display last two rows from this EMP table by using minus operator. How can I means now first we have to find out all the rows you have to find out. Then minus operator they're asking, that's why suppressing a what a previous here some rows only, and now here yes how many rows means you are only decided, then automatically these two rows are there or not. First 5 rows, first 10 rows easy, but last means logic you are only identifying only. Now here this is why they are asking into here, I will tell you. This entry question, put a star, write it, write a query to display, write a query to display last two rows from EMP table, last two rows from EMP table by using row num. Write a query to display last two rows from EMP table by using row num. Maybe try it. Why? Because this is so many fellows are normally they are writing, but interviewer expecting generalized way. What is the difference between generalized way and normal way means? I will tell you. First try it. You are only try it. This is entry question. In a books we are referring also, this will be there. Last 5 rows, last 10 rows, last they're asking only because this is a generalized way how you are writing their MS. Put a star, very important entry question this. Write a query to display last two rows from EMP table by using row num through minus operator. They're asking, but I am telling row num. Okay. Or try it. Maybe 3 fellows are writing, but one thing is correct, remaining 2 wrong side. First, you have to find out all rows, then suppressing a what? Some rows only, then automatically last 2 rows are available. No? How many rows you are suppressing means maybe you are only decided. And also that is different, actually, slightly different. Write a query to display last 2 rows from EMP table by using row num. Or try it. 3 members are again writing. That is correct or not, I am checking, don't worry. Last 1 minute only, try it your own way, anything. First, write it. How many topics are remaining? What are you asking? First, I am telling, just follow me. Unnecessary things you don't want. Okay, now check it out. Slowly observe it here. This is why entry question means concentrate. Concentrate here. In a future row ID through very important, but first they're expecting, they're asking what your query writing, you have an idea or not, check it out purpose. Maybe these questions they're asking. Whenever they're asking that one, be careful. Here, oh, maybe first we have to find out all the rows. First, we have to find out all the rows and suppressing a what? Previous rows only. Okay, right. But here 14 rows are there. How many rows we are suppressing? 12 rows we are suppressing. I know, you know, everyone knows. Okay, fine. Then automatically, yes, these two rows are displayed. That is a logic, actually. I know, you know, everyone knows. But what happened after here? This is select a star from EMP where row number is less than or equal to 14, run not required. Select star from EMP enough. Why? Because EMP means total rows are not. Yes, here. That's a where condition is not required in this case. You are using also not a problem. Minus. And now here we are suppressing a what? 12 rows. Select a star from EMP where row num is less than or equal to 12. But unfortunately, anybody writing like this is correct also. So many interviewers rejected that candidate only. Because at least, okay, generalized way that candidate is not writing, they are thinking, then they are rejected. That's why this is a popular interview question. This is correct. 12 rows we are suppressing means automatically last two rows, Ford and Miller. Okay, fine. It will be displayed Ford and Miller. But why interviewer were not as satisfied with this query means reason is there. What is that one? Yes, always you are a good database programmer means generalized way you are thinking. Generalized way means suppose here 14 rows are there, not a problem. Suppose 100 rows are there in your table, then minus 12 means wrong one or not? Yes, here. Again, 1,000 rows are there, 1 lakh rows are there means you are suppressing a what last previous 40, okay, so now here 12 rows, like that means that is wrong output. That's why any number of rows are available also. You are suppressing a what? Some rows only, then last two rows I want only, last 5 rows I want, last 100 rows I want, like this. In that case only, how you are writing generalized way. Generalized way means yes, here something only. What is that one? Up to now, okay. Any number of rows are available also. Select star from table name minus. Yes, how many rows we are suppressing? In place of 12, we are writing a what? Yes, generalized some other subquery. That subquery returns maybe 100, maybe 1 lakh, maybe 900, maybe 800. Any number of previous rows also we are suppressing. How can I means just we are using a what? Which function? Very good. 3 persons are writing in our class. Very good. Correct. Count star is a function is there. Whenever count star we are using means generalized way. 1 lakh records means 1 lakh minus something. Suppose you are 100 records means 100 minus something. Is there or not? That's why count star means in this class 14 number, not a rows, number that one. 14 minus 2 means then automatically here that is a what? 12 rows we are suppressing or not? Suppose in your table 100 rows are there means 100 minus 2 means automatically 98 rows we are suppressing or not, like that. That's why generalized way server only identifying a what? Yes, your number of rows minus 2 rows means 2, 3 rows means minus 3, 5 rows means minus 5, 100 rows means minus 100. We are using or not? Yes, here. That's why count star. Now here, yes, here select. Very good. Some fellows are writing only. Very good. First time newcomer they are writing means correct. Now here check it out. Here very good only count star. Here count star from EMP minus also possible. Otherwise this is a number. No, number minus another number. Mathematical operation, arithmetic operation possible or not? Possible. From this is last two rows purpose minus 2, 5 rows means minus 5, like this only. Now here check it out. Here this is a generalized query. So now suppose so many fellows are confusing only. Murli sir, you are writing a what? Count star minus 2, any number of rows also working. Okay, I'm agree. But here count star minus 2 means how it is possible means simple. Count star means 14 is a number. Now check it out. I'm executing a what? This okay, so now separately. Otherwise, select count star from EMP minus 2 also possible. Now here check it out. Here this query I'm executing. Okay, now separately. Now here check it out. Suppose here now here observe it here. Yes, 12 it will be retrieved or not. Why? Because count star means not a number of rows. Number of rows number 14 is there. 14 minus 2, then automatically 12 is there or not? Yes, here. That's why this is called generalized way. Any number of rows also. Yeah, okay, so now it is working only. Now really it is working in any number of rows also means check it out. Check it out here. Now here, concentrate here. Just I am writing a what? Select star from EMP minus. Here only I am writing a what? What is that one? Select star from EMP where row num is less than or equal to how many rows we are suppressing? Whatever number of rows are there, count star minus how many number of rows we are able to display, that one we have to suppress. 2 rows I am asking, 3 rows I am asking is 3 like this from EMP. Okay, fine. This is okay working in a where any number of rows are available also. For example, any table also working. Suppose another table, now your DEPT table is there, you are observing or not. Select a star from DEPT. There is a beauty of the way this query. In this DEPT table, here last 2 rows means minus 12 means impossible or not? Yes, here last 2 rows I want to retro. 4 rows are there, 2 rows only. In that case also this query is working. Select a star from DEPT. So now here minus, okay. Here select a star from DEPT where row num is less than or equal to. Here select no, generalized way. Select maybe so now daily they're changing a rows. That's why generalized way. Count star minus 2 from here DEPT like this. Yes, your automatically last 2 rows only it will be displayed or not. How much is it? That's why here count star you are using or not, check it out purpose in prayer using. We are asking only this question. Okay, now here yes, here that one write it this query. Where clause also we are using first cell star from EMP where row num is less than or equal to 14. Okay, but not required. Why? Because common sense. Just total table data means cell star from EMP, all the rows. Logically, you are good at or not, check it out purpose, entry or all the things observed. Some fellows asking only why you are not using max function. Max is different. Max is a what? Yes, here. Maximum value from the where? Table column. Max of row num is different. This is different. Okay, yeah. Okay, enough. Up to this knowledge is enough only, but no use. Minus also nobody using in a project side. Restrict in the rows. These type of queries only inter question purpose. This question purpose I'm copying only this one. Now very important. First step is most powerful. You are an experienced person, not a fresher level. Fresher level or 1 year experience means nobody asking that. Okay, so now we are inter question, but experienced person 3 years, 2 years, they are putting experience in a PLSQL. Most popular entry question. What is that one means? Anybody attending a what yesterday class? So row num is equal to 2. Row num is equal to 5, row num is equal to 3, row num is equal to 4. I am writing, it won't work. No row selected. That's why, yes, here, why row num is equal to 2 does not work. Do you have any idea? They're asking a what interview. Why this is experience question means always PLSQL developer, PLSQL algorithm to they're explaining. SQL basic level programmer doesn't know, but unfortunately, slowly, was step by step, you have an idea means you are also familiar. This is a magic column. This is works based on some algorithm only. How it is working, I will tell you. Row num does not assign a pre-assigned value 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Runtime values are generated. That's why this is a magic column. Now here very important. Row num is equal to 2, row num is equal to 5, row num is equal to 7, row num is equal to 10. Why row num is equal to something is does not work? Why row num is equal to 1 only work means I will tell you. Very important entry question. And now here write it. Side heading most powerful only. Why row num is equal to 2 does not work. why rho num is equal to 2 does not work. Very important, put a star. Not only 2, any number also other than 1, okay, not working, but this is a popular entry question. Why rho num is equal to 2 does not work. Slowly observe it here. Concentrate. Suppose you are a PLSQL experienced person, for example. Why rho num is equal to 2 does not work means don't read it this one. This one I'm not explaining. Why? Because this is PLSQL developer side. They are experienced persons. They are explaining like that only. Whenever now here rho num, why 2 is not working, 5 is not working, some other thing is working, some other thing is not working means just what they are telling in a PLSQL, Oracle provided PLSQL, how rho num is working in an algorithm format only they are providing. What is that one means? Don't read it, don't read it, don't read it. This is the way you are not learning today. Original, okay, step by step I will tell you. Rho num is, now you don't read it, just roughly. Rho num is incremented after a successful output they are telling. That is not required for you. Rho num is equal to first row fetching means rho num is equal to 1 they are giving. Don't write it. Here for loop they are giving only. So now here observe it here. For loop, that is a cursor for loop only. In place of that cursor name, the table they are giving, select star from table name. Okay, fine. This algorithm. Okay, fine. Table name. And now here check it out. Here loop is there. Here if condition is there. If here test condition is there. Don't afraid only. Just this is not required. Just roughly I'm telling how PLSQL developers telling. Then output a row. Output a row. This is algorithm only. Now here then only rho num is incremented. Rho num is equal to rho num plus 1 only. Here and if and space loop. This is a PLSQL algorithm they are providing a Oracle Corporation. Then you are good at what PLSQL language means. This for loop means cursors, this test condition, these all the things you are familiar. But observe it here how they are telling me is concentrate here. Suppose for example, here this is a select statement is there. Select the star from EMP where rho num is equal to, so now anything rho num is less than rho num is less than 3, working or not working, you have a doubt for example. Yes, here this is working. How it is working means, so yes, here observe it here. Whenever whatever occasion of here where condition is there, this algorithm you don't have an idea also. Substitute this where condition in a where in place of test condition, in place of some test condition only. And now here check it out. What is the test condition is there? Rho num is a first row fetching means 1 only. And now here rho num is less than 3. But unfortunately here rho num is how much? First row means 1. 1 is less than 3, true or false. Always if condition returns a true or false only. Based on the if condition true, then control goes to where body or not. 1 is less than 3, true. Whenever condition is true, output a row, that row it will be returned. And also rho num is incremented. Rho num is incremented means next row, okay, next is what? 2. 2 is less than 3, true. 2 means an output a row, next row it will be returned. Again rho num is incremented. Yes, 3 is less than 3. 3 is less than 3, false only. That's why these first 2 rows it will be displayed. Now here check it out. Suppose here I am writing a what? Where now here yes here rho num is equal to 2 is working or not working? Not working. Why? Because just whatever test condition is there, just substitute in place of if condition only. And now here rho num is equal to 2. Here this is a test condition. Rho num is equal to 2 only. Here now here rho num first row fetching means 1 only. And now here 1 is equal to 2 is a false. 1 is equal to 2 false means whenever false condition is there, if condition body it is not incremented only. Control does not goes to where body only. That's why rho num is equal to 2 never working only. Suppose here rho num is equal to where in a query also we are checking like this only, where rho num is greater than, yes here greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, working, yes working. Why it is working means observe your rho num is greater than or equal to 1 means here 1 is a first row, 1 is greater than or equal to 1, true. Whenever condition is true, then control goes to where output a row. Yes, that first row fetching. Then row numbering incremented. 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, true. Yes, 3 is greater than or equal to 1. True. That's why whenever condition is true, those all rows it will be fetched. Suppose here row num is greater than 1 working. No, not working. Suppose here row num is greater than 1 means yes, 1 is greater than 1. 1 is greater than when, never true only. That's why control does not goes to where if body, if condition body. That is the way they are telling. But don't try to learn. You are a first time newcomer like that. Whenever you are a SQL programmer, you are explaining like this means interviewer never satisfied. Experienced persons, algorithm, that cursors, they have an idea. Those all the things. I am also, anybody also means yes, okay. But you are a first time newcomer means you are understandable different. That's why here first I am telling about how row num is working. I will tell you. I am taking a table, a true condition side, each and every row is there. Yes, whenever table is there, each and every row checking by the server. This row, if first it will be fetching, then it will be true means then only row num is incremented, then only that record is returned. Once that record is returned, then control goes to where second. In a second row also it will be checking whenever this condition is true, where condition is true, then incremented, then only that record is returned. Like that only. Whenever where condition is false, then row num is never incremented. Those all go them. I will tell you very, 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 very important. Now most powerful. Okay, na? That's why any books we are referring means all go them for loop. Those things are there. Don't try to explain in front of interview that one. Only explaining what you are a good professional means always I am designing something only through that one by one you are understandable. That's why up to end of the class today concentrate. Then only row num alias name through working very easy. But first at least this experience entry question only. Now check it out. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation, row num is a pseudo column. It behaves like a table column, but unfortunately, row num values are never pre-assigned. I am also, you are also thinking about, oh, row num, nothing is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These values are automatically assigned. We are thinking, no. These values automatically assigned means why row num is equal to 2, 3 are not working. I guess here the some other thing is there. Row num values are not generated at compile time. Always these values are not pre-assigned. These values are generated at a runtime. How can I based on where condition? At a runtime. Runtime only these values are generated. That much of powerful. But how you are understandable, those type of base at runtime only the values are row num values are generated based on the predicate class. Based on the predicate class means where class. How you are understandable, these all the things means observe it here. I am creating a table. Step by step, I am first time telling, then only we are starting a what that one. Okay, na? Yes. Sure. Now check it out. For example, now here. Slowly observe it here. Here Smith, Ellen, Watt, Jones. Some employees I'm copying, I'm creating. That is better. Now check it out. Slowly observe it. I am creating a table. Don't write it anything. Up to end of the class today, concentrate. Everyone understandable. Create table. EMP1. For example, I am interested to create. E name is a column. Varchar 2. Okay, fine. Anything, for example, here salary is a column. Okay, this is a my own table is there. Okay, fine. Now I try to insert a data. Insert into table name EMP1 values like this. For example, roughly. Here I'm inserting ampersand E name only, comma ampersand salary. Here Smith is an employee, for example. Salary 800 everything. Ellen is an employee. For example, easiness purpose. Here 2000 is the salary. Anything. Now here roughly. Now here what is an employee? What is an employee? Here 3000 is the salary. For example, okay, these are the records are there, commit the transaction. For example, just observe it here. This is a table is there. Select a star from here. EMP1 is there. This is a table. Here EMP1 is there. Select the star from EMP1 is a table is there. How RONAM is working in a where in this table means I will tell you one by one, easily understandable. Concentration is very important. Now check it out. Suppose I am writing a what query, select, now here, observe here, select a star from EMP1, where RONAM, observe here, first true condition I am writing, where RONAM is less than 3, I am writing. Yes, this one is working. First 2 rows, it will be retrieved or not? Yes, first 2 rows, it will be retrieved. Now check it out here, automatically, this first 2 rows, it will be retrieved working in a query less than or equal to. But how this query is working, that is important. First, what is the algorithm is slowly observe it here. First phase 1, I am writing. Don't write it one by one, observe it here. Easily understandable. First step 1 only, first each and every time Oracle server, each and every row it will be checking. This is a table is there. Whenever we are using a RONAM query, control goes to where? First row first. Second time, second row, third time, third row. Like this, each and every row, it will be checking that record is a true or false based on algorithm. That's why first row, it will be fetching. Each and every row, true or false, it will be checking. Observe it here. Observe it. Don't write it. Fetching a record. Now here, observe it here. First step is fetching a, so now easy understandable. Observe it here. Fetching a record. Fetching a record means first record. Okay. Yes, here. Fetching a record, first record. Fetching a first record, second time, second record, like this. Now here, what is that first record? Smith is an employee and also 800. This is a record, it will be fetching from the table. That record is checking that is true or false. Now check it out. This is algorithm based. Now check it out. This record is checking a what? Yes, here, true or false. But unfortunately, slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. Whenever any record, first record, it will be fetching means automatically RONAM value is 1. They are giving only. And now here RONAM is how much? RONAM is 1 only. And now here automatically assigns a what? RONAM is 1. Whenever first record, one record is fetching means then automatically RONAM is 1. That is a default. Okay, fine. RONAM value is 1. Okay, fine. Now, now here check it out. Then automatically in a step 2, checking where condition. Observe it here. Slowly observe it here. Checking where condition. Where condition only checking by the where server. In a query is there, no? In that where condition only checking. Now check it out. What is the where condition in this example side? RONAM is less than 3 only. Slowly observe it here. Slowly, easily understandable. Yes, here checking where condition. First record is checking. First record is fetching. That is testing true or false. How can I miss? I will tell you. First record is fetching from the table means RONAM value is automatically assigns a 1 only. Then checking a where condition. Control goes to where condition. Here where, and now here check it out. Slowly observe it here. Where condition it will be checking. Where RONAM is less than 3. But unfortunately observe it here. Here easily you are telling only RONAM is less than 3 means here RONAM is how much? Very good, 1. First record fetching, no, 1. The value is 1. 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3 means that predicate clause is what condition? True or false? Very good, true. Whenever condition is true, here only key concept. Observe it here. Whenever condition is true, 2 things are happened. This is important. Whenever condition is true, then only RONAM is incremented. Otherwise, RONAM is never incremented. Observe it here. Whenever condition is false, then RONAM is never incremented. That is a rubber. That is a logic. Very important. Whenever condition is true, then where condition is true, then only RONAM is incremented. This is very, very important. When condition is true, observe it here. Don't write it. Observe it here. When condition is true, this is a logic I want. Then only, now here, then only RONAM is incremented. RONAM is incremented. Suppose false means RONAM is never incremented. That algorithm also I will tell you. RONAM is incremented. RONAM is incremented. Okay, fine. Yes, here RONAM is incremented means in a previous case, RONAM is how much? Very good, 1. Yes, here now row num is incremented means row num value automatically how much? 2. Very good. Yes. Whenever condition is true, then only that record. Suppose here this is a condition is true. This pointer is points to where? The pointer is points to where? That record or not? Yes, then only this record is written into result. Whenever condition is true is there, then only this record is written into where? Result. Condition is false means that record is never written. Okay, na? That's why when condition is true, don't write it. When condition is true, two things are happened. When condition is true, then only that record, which record? Pointer points is there, first record. That record written into result. Return into result. That's why always how much easy observe here. That's why in the previous case here, Smith and 800 is the output is there or not? Yes, here Smith and 800, that record is written into result. Okay. This algorithm step easily understandable or not? Yes, here. Now second phase. Oh, Smith and 800, it will be written. Okay, fine. Don't write it. And now here, second phase is there. And now check it out. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Algorithm observe it first. Phase 2, because same like a normal language loops only, each and every phase, yes, it will be checking a what? Second record, third record, like phase 2 means here in this phase 2, row num is previous case how much? 2 only. Okay, na? 2. Row num is equal to 2, no? Yes, incremented. And now here, yes, here next record it will be checking. Next record. Yes, very good. Now onwards you are telling very easy. Now fetching a record, fetching a record. Observe here. And now here fetching a record only. Fetching a record. And now fetching a record. In this case, which record it will be fetching? Next record. Each and every record is checking. Ln. Next record is how much? In a table. Ln 2000. Observe here. Ln 2000 only. Next record, this one. And now here check it out. Fetching next record. Okay, fine. Fetching a record. Now step 2. What is the step 2? Very good. Checking where condition. And now here, yes, here checking where condition. Checking where condition only. And now checking where condition means what is the where condition in this example side? Very easy. And now here where row num is less than 3, I am writing. Now row num is less than 3 means row num is how much here? 2. 2 is less than 3 means true or false? Very good, true. Whenever condition is true, and now two things are happened. What is that one? Very good. Whenever condition is true, two things are happened. What is that one? Whenever condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Row num is incremented. Yes, incremented means how much? Row num is equal to 3 in this case. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. Now, whenever condition is true, that control pointer points to where? Yes, second record. That record is written into result. That's why second record ln also written or not. That's why whenever condition is true, then only that record. That record means pointer points to where? Ln record, no? Yes, that record written into where? Return into result. Now here result. That is the record is written from table into where? Result only. That's why here what is the record? Ln is a record is checking by the server. Ln 2000 also retrieved from the table into where? Result or not? Yes, very good. Next, again another step. Each and every record, true or false also it will be checking only. Now phase 3, false condition next time telling, don't worry. Phase 3 means, yes, your row num is incremented. No, row num is incremented means how much? Row num is what? 3. In a second, the third phase, row num is 3 because row num is incremented. No, and now here first step 1, fetching a record. Fetching means next record. Okay, yes, here fetching a record means top to bottom only, record by record. Fetching a record. Next record is what? Here 3000. Next record is there. Now here in a where now step 2 only. In that step 2 only checking where condition. Here checking where condition. In that checking where condition side, always observe it here. And now here where, and now here I am writing a what? Where row num is less than 3, I am writing. Okay, less than 3 or less than 3. Whenever row num is less than 3 means here less than or equal to means okay, less than. Okay, yes, 3 is less than 3 only. 3 is less than 3 means what? False. 3 is less than or equal to 3 means true, false. Whenever false means two things are happened. What is that one? Row num is never incremented. Row num is never incremented. Whenever condition is false, then row num is never incremented. That is okay. So now here, yes, next we are telling only false condition side. Don't worry. And now here, first true condition side, we are practicing only. Now, whenever condition is false, that record does not return into a result. That record is never written from the table into a result. Yes, here when condition is false, then that record, yes, a record does not return into where, does not return into where, return into result. This is the algorithm. And now here, observe here. That's why anybody asking, do you have any idea why row num is equal to 2, row num is equal to 3 not working means just first true condition based this practicing. Then only false condition based I will tell you. Then only row num is equal to 2 not working easily you are understandable. First true based. That's why always row num is a pseudo column. It will behave like a table column, but row num values are never pre-assigned. 1, 2, 3, 4 never generated like that only. Row num generate numbers at runtime. Runtime only no, based on the where condition only automatically generated or not. Runtime based on the predicate clause. Generally, whenever we are submitting a row num queries used in where clause, then Oracle server fetch each and every record from the table. And also it checks that record is true or false based on the where condition. Whenever condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Whenever condition is true, then only that record is written into where result. Whereas whenever condition is false, next I will tell you that one never incremented and never written into where result. That based only, yes, row num is never okay, so written a value, row num is equal to 3, row num is equal to 4. Next we are telling only, okay, na? Yes, here. That is most powerful. That is understood or not? Here. Okay, algorithm based. That's why these steps wise very easy, no? Yes, here. Compared to where algorithms and all these things, because algorithm you don't have an idea. This is original. Okay, now yes, here. First true condition based only you are write it. Then only false condition based also I will tell you. But why row num is equal to 2 does not work means first theory write it. Then only step by step I am telling. Write it. Then only row num alias name through every query very easy. But first logic only. How row num is working, Oracle Corporation giving you what some theory, but I am designing a practical. Write it. Row num is equal to 2 does not work. Side reading. Why row num is equal to 2 does not work. Why row num is equal to 5 does not work like that. Okay. Yeah. But we are using some technique means all the operators working. That is next one. Don't worry. Write it. Some theory write it. Row num. That's why practically very easy. Row num is a pseudo column. Row num is a pseudo column. It behaves like a table column. But row num values are never pre-assigned. Row num generates numbers at runtime. Not a component, but at a runtime based on predicate clause. Predicate clause means where condition. Within the bracket, write it. Where condition. Based on predicate clause. Okay, na? We are also thinking 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically assign. We are thinking that's a problem. But it is not working like that. Algorithm based only working, no runtime. Finished this theory. Row num is a pseudo column. It will behave like a table column, but row num values are never pre-assigned. Row num generate numbers at runtime based on where condition. Okay, na? Yes. Next para write it. Original. Generally, next para write it. Generally, whenever we are submitting, row num queries, whenever we are submitting row num queries used in where class, then Oracle server fetch 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 each and every row, fetch each and every record. Okay, fetch each and every record from the table, fetch each and every record from the table. First let it fetch each and every record from the table, and also it checks that record is true. It checks that record is true or false based on where condition, whenever, write it, whenever where condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Underline row num is incremented, underline it. Very important. Whenever condition is true, then only row num is incremented. This is the logic. Okay, now whenever condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Finished. Now write it. Whenever condition is true, again true, then only condition means where condition, then only that record pointer points to that record only. Then only that record written into result. The same execution is there in a future correlated subquery side. That's why slowly check it out, then later very easy. Then only that record is written into result. Okay, now whereas, write it, whereas whenever condition is false, whenever condition is false, then that record is never written into result, and also row num is never incremented, and also row num is never incremented. This algorithm, no? Yeah. Okay, na? This algorithm finished. Completed. Example through, write it. First, this example through, write it only. First, you are creating your table, otherwise EMP table, anything. Just here, this is a EMP1 table is there. Okay, fine. In this table side, this true condition side, I am writing. Then I am execution pages, I am telling. Okay, na? Yeah, that is better. Then only false condition side where row num is equal to 2, how it is not working means no row selected means I will tell you. Okay, two examples better. Write it. Example 1. This theory is very important. Otherwise, this example 3 is understandable. Don't worry. Okay, na? Yes. Example 1, write it. Suppose this a table is there. Write it like this. Create table not required because we are only check it out. Select star from EMP1. Some records. Okay, we are taking. Example 1, write it this table. Same like EMP table data I'm copying, easy remembering purpose. Write it this one. Example 1, select star from EMP1 in a table. Okay, I'm creating some there. Now this query, write it. Select star from EMP1 where row number is less than 3. This query I'm explaining for anything in a query also. But true condition query this one. Okay, less than 3, less than or equal to 3 means 2 records are retrieved here. This output also right. This output also write it. Now execution process, right? This execution process, internal execution process I want. Okay, execution process. This is important. Execution process. Phase 1, right? Phase 1, fetching a record. Fetching a record means top to bottom, first record onwards. Okay. Actually, whenever table is there, internally pointer is there. Whenever you are using row num query, control goes to where? First record first. Second time, second record. Third time, third record. Like this only, it will be checking each and every record. Okay. Fetching a record means first record, bottom to top. Execution process, right? Fetching a record. Fetching a record means first record fetching means row num is 1. Any record fetching means always row num is 1 only in this case. First record means 1 they are giving. Okay, na? Row num is equal to 1. Second step, write it. Checking where condition, right? Checking where condition. Where row num is less than 3, no? Yeah. Row num is how much? First record means 1, no? Yes, 1 is less than 3. Always first record means 1. That is a predefined, don't worry. 1 is less than 3 means true in this case. Okay, na? Up to this one writing? Okay, very good. Now you are writing a what theory? This is important. Here only you are write it. This algorithm only fastly write it. Whenever true is there, two things are happened. Okay, na? That is write it like this arrow mark. When condition is true, when condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Within the bracket, row num is incremented means in this example, row num is equal to 2 automatically. Suppose false means again row num is equal to 1 is there. That's the drawback. Okay. Now. Next, again, left hand side also write it. When condition is true, then only that record means which record is fetching, that record. First record testing, that one. Okay. When our condition is true, then only that record written into result. Or maybe that record is true, that's why that record is written into result. Here that record is write it. Here Smith, capital letter but not about Smith 800. This record is written. Oh, that record is true. That's why output is this. Complete data fast. Next, second example side, row num is equal to 2 side, you are only telling. Row num is incremented or not incremented, you are only telling. Okay. Finished? Fast. Next, phase 2 write it because each and every record checking. Complete data fast. Take a snap. Now, second also write it. Row num is equal to 2. Phase 2. Phase 2 means each and every record. Okay. Row num is equal to 2. Write it next. Fetching a record ln 2000. Here row num is 2 because incremented. Suppose false means not incremented, row num is equal to 1 is there. That is the next example side. Okay. Checking where condition. Write it fast. Here phase 2, write it. Row num is 2, no? 2 is less than 3. True. Okay, again write it same. When condition is true, when condition is true, then only row num is incremented. Algorithm basis. Row num is incremented means what is the value? Row num 2 is there, but here row num 3. Internally 3. Row num value. Here true means ln is a pointer, points to ln record is there. That's why when condition is true, then only that record written into result. What is that record? ln 2000 anything. Write it this one fast. Complete data. Yes. Last phase also write it. Phase 3. Fastly write it. Fetching next record, no? What 3000? Checking where condition 3000. Sorry, row num is less than 3, no? Yes, 3 is less than 3, false. Now, whenever condition is false, reverse this one. Okay, na? Yeah, write it. These steps write it. Phase 3. When condition is false, when condition is false, then row num is never incremented. Never incremented. That's why in this case, row num is equal to 3. That false condition side, next way I'm telling, don't worry. Another example, okay? But just this recording. When condition is false, then that record means that pointer points to what? No? Yes, that record. Then that record does not return into result. does not return. That's why that record is never displayed. Only those first two records are displayed based on this example. No? Yeah. When where condition is true, then only row number is incremented. Where condition false means then row number is never incremented. Okay, na? Yes, that is a logic. That's why example 2 I will tell you now. Then select star from EMP1 where row number is equal to 2, no row selected. How it will be checking each and every fetching a record, first record, row number is equal to 1, checking where condition, row number is equal to 2 means 1 is equal to 2 false, then row number is never incremented, that record is never displayed. Now fetch phase 2 side, what happened? Row number is how much? You are only telling. Complete data this one? Yes, here. Okay, na? Now here. Okay, fine. Now false condition side. What is the false condition side? Observe it here. This is a table is there. For example, second example. Observe it here. Select star from EMP1. In this example side here, yes, I try to write a what? Observe it here. Select star from EMP1 where row num is equal to 2. I am writing false condition side. That no row selected. How it is possible? First record control goes to where? First record. First record means row num 1. 1 is equal to 2. False. False means row num is never incremented. This record is rejected. This record does not return into result. Then phase 2 side row num is how much? Again 1. Why? Because yes, here now your row num is never incremented. That's why again 1 is equal to 2. Again false. Again here third record false. That's why each and every record that one false only. That is I am telling a what? Tomorrow I am telling only that one. Don't worry. Some fellows are that is an today this is enough so much of thing they are thinking only. Now not a problem. Now here yes here tomorrow I will tell you that one, and also tomorrow don't miss the class. False condition side I will tell you. Next, very important. How we are easy way we are filtering the data by using a row num means row num alias name we are creating a inline use. In that case, that alias name works with a what? All operators only. Why? Because that alias name internally behaves like a table column. Any type of row also we are retrieving. That much of powerful. That's why in that case, I want first row, 7th row, 10th row, even number of records, odd number of records. Again here, okay, so now here the last 2 rows. Again, which ones are rows between that one? In operate. So many queries are there. Those are all entry questions. Most powerful only. Those are all the things. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes, sure. Tomorrow we'll continue. Only one by one we are learning. Okay, yeah. Only this chapter only properly you have to learn. More patience is required slowly. Otherwise, hurriedly you are learning means no use. In our interview asking means you are unable to tell proper answer means impression is bad. That's the problem. Unimportant concept means fastly we are telling means not a problem. Okay, this is important concept. This based only so many things are there in the future. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Remember, tomorrow will continue.